to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to Sniper Wolf's videos.
All four. Hello friends, it's me, and today we're gonna try not to say wow. You say the W word, you lose health, and the video's over. It's gonna come out of that egg. Oh! No! That's too many yolks. How is that even possible? Who put all those chickens in one egg? Boom. Okay, that's actually chocolate this time. Is it a balloon or a ball? Are you gonna pop it? Oh, I think it's a balloon. Oh, and it just keeps going. It keeps going. Now we know where all the water bottles went. My dude just can blow them down. That's a strong breath. He must be a windbender or something. Can I do it with like a half? Let me close it just in case my breath is a little too strong. This is impossible. His breath work out or something? Oh, she is thick, juicy peach. And then when you break it, it ain't actually thick. Oh wait, is that jelly in it? It's made of white chocolate and there's a thick, juicy, jiggly jelly inside.